I was hoping you might want to join me in the hunt.
Oh, well, thanks for the invite, but as you can see, we're just about to begin a picnic.
I think hunting might be a better way to spend your day, Charlie. I mean, of all the things you could choose to do today, hunting with me might be your best option.
Oh, my God. Oh, my God.
What is it?
I think I know how to get us off this island. Okay, 5 minutes ago, a flock of seabirds flew over my head. Seabirds are migratory, which means they're going to keep heading south. They're tagged.
Tagged?
Scientists tag these birds so they can track them. So when they eventually land in Australia or New Zealand or wherever, somebody's going to gather them up.
We can send a message.
They brought me on the submarine.
So your people, they can just come and go whenever they want?
Go, yes. But 2 weeks ago, our underwater beacon stopped emitting its locator signal.
Why would you want to come back?
You would not understand. I misspoke. What I meant to say is, you're not capable of understanding.
And why am I not capable?
Because you are not on the list.
What list?
You are not on the list because you are flawed. Because you are angry. And weak. And frightened. Of course I don't know you, Saeed Jarrah. How could I? And you, Kate Austen, are a complete stranger to me. But you, John Locke, you I might have a fleeting memory of. But I must be confused, because the John Locke I know was perhaps...
Look at this.
One, two...
Sorry.
So it's just you,
Ah, it's just me.
hunting in the exact same spot as we're setting our trap.
I was following a boar, Claire.
Oh, so it's just a coincidence then. You don't want me to catch the birds, do you? You and Charlie. What's going on?
Why wouldn't I want you to catch the birds?
A security perimeter. Those sensors on the side would be triggered if anyone passed between them. It's an alarm system or a trap.
The pylons encircle the entire barracks. There is no going around them.
John! John!
Thank you.
Me for not knowing that they had a sonic weapon fence.
Why are you really here? You here for Jack?
Why else would I be here? Just tell me how we're going to go through this.
We're not going to go through it. We're going over it. How did you know it was going to be here?
I didn't.
Yes, you did. You had to. That's what you and Charlie were arguing about.
That's where Charlie died.
Desmond told me everything. About all his visions. How you died trying to get me this bird.
You don't believe all that, do you?
You know, I'm not giving up on you either, Charlie. You're gonna be okay. We'll get through this together.